สวัสดีครับวันนี้จะมาเล่นเกมของพันธุ์เป็นsisterlocationนะครับพาร์ทแรกมั้งนั่นแหละก็โหลดมาใหม่ต้องพาร์ทแรกน้ำโค้กสันแข็งโดยbaby
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. I will be your personal
อะไรวะเนี่ย
Applied with the handyman's robotics unit Pearson, but you can only hand use it. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad.
ผมหมายถึงในโน้ตบุ๊กนะครับที่บอกว่าอะไรเนี่ยหมายถึงในโน้ตบุ๊กอยู่ไหนวะตัว H อยู่ไหนวะ H B อีกไม่มีตัว C อยู่เลย C แล้วก็ E ชื่ออะไรไม่รู้
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome. Eggs Benedict.
โอ้โหไข่ดาวจ๋ามาแล้วไหมWelcome to the first day of thriving you. Okay. Continue.
You can now open the elevator using that red and obvious button.Let's get to work.
เดี๋ยวเปิดแสงให้หน่อยเปิดแสงมากกว่านี้โอเค
You are now in the primary control module. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery party room and dance studio. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad.
ซาจัง
Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step. Let's check the light again. Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to. Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Check like it.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Great.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the circus gallery control module.
What's that, lady?
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium.
Oh, you could lay that.
Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to. Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to drop with a controlled shock.
Control shock.
Let's try another controlled shock. Let's try another control. Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your night on the job.
เยี่ยมไปเลยคัดเบบี้กับปีกับปะปูปี
We'll see you again tomorrow.
go back อะไรวะเสียงอะไรวะไม่ใช่เสียงเดินหรอไม่น่าใช่เสียงมันจะดังแบบนี้อุ้ยเชี่ยอะไรวะเสียงหุ่นยนต์โดนทุบป่ะใช่ป่ะวะกูไปแล้วชิปคอมพลีทโอเคครับอย่าลืมกดไลค์กดซับสไครป์เพื่อเป็นกำลังใจในการทำคลิปต่อไปนะครับขอบคุณครับ